In our journey to feature Northeast entrepreneurs, today we are at Tech Variable, a Guwahati-based digital transformation company. With an innovative team of 30, this 2015 venture has already created a niche in its segment. Today, Tech Variable has a range of services to offer to newly formed business entities that helps them establish in the market within a short period of time. To find more about the business, we have invited one of the founders to share his idea about how it all started.
Tech Variable was born with an idea of bringing in talents from outside of this region to Assam. We wanted to create an ecosystem kind of thing, a company where we can attract talents which have gone outside Assam and wanted to come back. The basic idea of opening a company like Tech Variable is as a service-based company. What it does, we work on multiple technologies, right? So we need different types of people with different kinds of experiences, right? So, and also since we cater to offshore clients, so what happens is they are exposed to different types of cultures outside of India, right? So this was the overall idea behind opening Tech Variable.
Modern business needs more effective and efficient ways to stay relevant in the marketplace, and digital transformation is a way forward.
Now, if you ask me what Tech Variable does, we call ourselves a digital transformation company. Now, if I have to tell you, if I have to give you an idea of what we do, let's assume you are a startup, right? You are looking to get your product into the market as quickly as possible. We, as a service company, we will help you in making sure that your product goes into the market as quickly as is possible and is of the best quality as can be done within the given time frame. So we use our rapid application development approach. We have a QA-led delivery process. We also have our own component store which we use for for all sorts of projects, so that the delivery can be 2x faster than what would have normally happened.
With the cutting-edge technology solutions, Tech Variable intends to offer its client an end-to-end business solution through data services, product engineering, and rapid app development.
As our main service is towards the startups, right? Helping them in realizing their vision and helping their journey in product engineering to go to market, right? Speed is a very important factor for them. So to achieve that, we have built a process-driven delivery model. With the past years of experience, we have realized that although all the products are different, they cater to different market, their technology stack is different, but certain underlying technical elements are quite similar. So what we have done is that we have created a component store basically, and coupled with our QA-led delivery model, we are able to reduce the go-to-market time by half almost.
With a dynamic team of young professionals, Tech Variable serves a significant size of clientele across India. The team is dynamic, vibrant, and full of life.
Here at Tech Variable, we have a very open and collaborative work culture. I have joined recently and have noticed that this culture was already existing. After I have joined, I have been focusing more on people management and working on employee engagement and structuring and implementing HR policies like employee referral, promotion, performance appraisal, rewards and recognitions, and so on. The team dynamism is great, and we are constantly striving to connect to people to make them comfortable adapting our work ethics and philosophy.
It's business as usual at Tech Variable one morning when suddenly a phone call is received. It was a client call. They have an urgency at the end. One of their project deployments, which was to be done by the Tech Variable team within the next 2 days, now has to be submitted within 24 hours. The situation is critical. If the team delivers as per client expectation, this would mean pushing the deadline for other clients, as people from other projects need to squeeze in. Pulling out people from other projects will hamper the deliverables of other clients. But the client gave an interim deadline that is to be adhered under all circumstances. Quickly, the situation was highlighted to the management. It was a difficult call even for the management. After a brief discussion, it was decided to comply with the client's request. A quick team huddle and the team is engaged to deal with the situation.
I can see primarily there are two challenges. Okay, first would be if I would have had this startup based out of Bangalore, right? So first thing is the ease of doing business. It would have been much better than it is right now here in Assam, right? And the second and the most important thing would be a startup of similar size and similar tenure, and the kind of progress that these guys would have made is exponentially different than what we are at right now. So, but I can see things getting better, of course, with more and more entrepreneurs like us coming up and changing the whole scene. Another important, this is a global phenomenon, but of course it got to us as well. The COVID situation, we had to work from home. The complete setup had to be changed from office to work from home, right? So initial 1 or 2 months there were apprehensions and there were concerns from the clients, but then thankfully everything got sorted. We didn't lose a client, we did not have to let go of any employee, we did not have to cut any kind of salary, so thankfully that was taken care of. But that was only because we were very careful even before this thing came to India.
It's about 5 hours since the team is engaged to meet clients' request. Time is short and not meeting the deadline means a lot of things will be at stake. Each passing moment is a test of time for the team and its founders.
So as a short-term goal, right, we want to build our footprint in the US market, trying to work with as many startups in different domains and trying to understand what kind of problem they are facing in building MVPs. So the technology is basically the future, and every day hundreds of startups comes up with their tech products, and technology company is our client basically. So yeah, there is a lot of good headrooms available. So as a bootstrap startup, we started out as a bootstrap startup, and we hope that we can scale up everything that we are doing right now and rapidly grow basically. And in terms of the size of the company, right, we would like to have at least around 80 to 100 people working with us in next 3 years basically.
Finally, the moment came when an update was taken and found that the team has pulled it up. The deployment was successful and the client was updated. The founders are happy. The team has finally delivered. Years of mentorship has finally put into test, and the result was heartwarming.
But one thing that has kept me going over the years is the belief that is the belief, and one thing that I have had since my childhood is to never give up, right? So this is one thing that has really kept me going. Everyone will have different set of problems. Of course, I have a different set of problems. My co-founder might have a different set of problems. Another entrepreneur from a different state, from a different geography would have a different set of problems. But I firmly believe that if you don't give up, then you will be there. You will be able to hang on. You'll be there to at least there was a time of demonetization. We have faced many such issues, COVID, but it has actually been something which has helped us leapfrog from where we were at that particular point of time. So basically, calamity brought the best out of us. So what I would say is just hang on. Things will be better. Don't give up.
With a dedicated and dynamic team, TechVariable is carving a new success graph in the field of digital transformation with the cutting-edge solutions. However, the future of the business needs proper push from the statutory bodies. Ease of doing business in this part of the country. The silver lining is things have changed in the past few years, and they are hopeful that it will change further to push young minds to change the current scenario. With a dynamic team of young professionals, TechVariable is hopeful to craft a significant growth story in the market space.